In today's video, I'll teach you how to extend memory on Android. So first of all, launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is find this option for about phone. Once you do that, tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see various options over here. Simply find the option for RAM and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the option for RAM expansion over here. Whenever this option is enabled, a part of your storage space is treated as a virtual RAM memory and you'll be able to use the part of it to expand your RAM. So what you have to do is toggle this button on. Now after you do that, you can simply go back to save your changes. You might also have to restart your device. So for that, long press on the power button. After you do that, tap on the option restart. After that, your device will be restarted and the changes will take the effect. So like this, you'll be able to do it, or you can also insert the physical memory card in your phone in order to expand the memory. So that is how you expand memory on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.